So let us try it. The most easiest thing to do. You know, chicken wings doesn't take time to cook, to be honest. Like, it takes a minimum of 20 minutes. That being said, just because it's the softest part to cook definitely means that it's gonna take some time for it to soak up the flavor, right? And I want mine to be soaked up inside, and that's why I'm boiling it, because I want it to absorb the seasoning. And I'm going to be frying it, but I'm not gonna fry it immediately while it's still hot. After I'm done boiling it and I've tasted that it is well cooked, I'm now going to, keep it aside for it to keep soaking in the seasoning. I'll keep it probably for 30 minutes while we're going to be trying out this dumpling thingy. I'm going to keep it out for that amount of time, and once I'm done, I will fry it while it's a little bit cold. This 509. Desiree, send me a timer for 50 minutes. Now, obviously, during this, because everywhere will be flying here like crazy. I'll try to take it in a nice way for you guys to see. So let us try it. So crunchy. The most easiest thing to do.